Hi y'all, Karma here. So great to see you again today. If you're new to the channel, welcome to our amazing community of natural healing type topics and magical things that we can do to enhance our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual growth. If you're returning, hi y'all. I'm enjoying so much getting to know all of you, and it's adding so much to my life. So thank you so much for those of you that take the time to comment and get to know me. Well, obviously the computer thinks I was talking to it and not to you. So today we're opening Enchanted Crystal. An Enchanted Crystal is a monthly crystal subscription box. And they have 4 to 6 crystals that are in the box, and it's amazing. I love getting this box. The only downside to this box is there's no descriptions to the crystals that come with it, but in this day and age where we have the internet available, it's really no big deal to be able to look them up. They are well labeled, so I do have the link in the video description for you, and the box is $39 a month, and the link to subscribe is in the video description. I don't have a discount coupon for you for this box. I've been trying to get one, but Adam says he doesn't do that. So anyway, I'm sorry I can't pass on some savings to you, but I think it's well worth the box even without a discount code. Last month, let's review what we got. In last month's box, in the bonus bag, we got the red, blue, and gold calcite, and those were really pretty. I really enjoy the bonus bags. They're great to add to crystal gridding, crystals, and that kind of thing. We got a beautiful orange calcite, a Sonoran turquoise that was small and rare, a polished argonite ball, and that was gorgeous and has amazing energy to it. The serpentine tumbled, the Mexican rhodonite, and then the gypsum rose. And someone had mentioned that the gypsum rose may not be a gypsum rose. So I can't remember what they said it was. Let me see if I can see it really quick in the comments. Stephanie Aston says, I'm wondering if they made a mistake with that rose. As it looks like it's really a barite rose. So I'm gonna, because I did look at that and I looked it up and I think she's right. So I'm gonna make that correction on the stone itself because it was gorgeous. So last month's box was amazing. I'm excited to get into this month's box and see what we have. When you open up the box, you have your little newsletter from Adam. And he usually just tells what he's up to. I know they just went to the Tucson Gem Show last month, so I'm excited to see the next few months and see what we get. Then inside you have your grid that I'll show you, your bonus bag, and then you have all of your gems that are wrapped up in this. And unwrap that, get it down in the box, and then you can see all of the gems are in there in nice bags, and they are all labeled. So it's been really nice because I don't think I've even had one stone that's been damaged from this box because of the way they ship them. So let's see our crystal grid. Oh, pretty. Very nice. Black crystal grid. I like that. I love these little crystal grids. They're perfect for when I have a client or someone who will write to me and they want me to do a distance grid for them to help them out. This is the perfect size to put their name on and do a little grid for them and help them that way. Then we have Peacock ore and Matchstick quartz. So let me kind of show you in the bag. And you know that I love getting the Matchstick quartz because again, they are perfect for crystal gridding. They're perfect for adding into almost anything you have because remember, quartz amplifies any of the other stones. So those little matchstick ones right there, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm loving having them. Now, I do not have any peacock ore, and it's really pretty, so don't know much about it. Whoa! See if I can get these back in here without throwing them all over the floor. So delicate. There's one more. There it is. Okay, so I'm just going to grab one of the pieces of the Peacock ore. You can see, look at the beautiful coloring in it. It's all purple. So pretty. Kind of trying to move it around for you because I know the lights sometimes don't catch it very good, but oh, that's gorgeous. So Peacock ore. Here's the other piece.
So the high vibration of Peacock ore gives you high creativity. It's known as the stone of happiness and can uplift our self-esteem by dismissing doubts, fears, or self-limitations that we have.
All right, let's get right down to it. A Madagascar Amethyst. Have to be careful if you're using a cutter. You don't want to cut too deep. Ooh, that's really pretty. Wow. So it's kind of chalky, but I don't have anything like this with the amethyst.
Amethyst is a natural tranquilizer which can help with strain and stress. It can help balance mood swings, soothe irritability, rage, fear, dispel anger, and anxiety. It alleviates sadness and grief and can dissolve negativity. It activates spiritual wellness, spiritual awareness, opens intuition, and can enhance psychic abilities.
Very pretty. Okay. Chinese Fluorite Octahedron. Octahedron. Said it wrong. Gave it an extra syllable in there. You have to cut far enough. At least cut through the tape so that you can open it, Karma. There we go. Ooh. Oh, that's really pretty. Chinese fluorite. And I do have some other fluorite shapes.
One of the best ways to use a fluorite octahedron is to put it on your heart, relax, and breathe in the color. They promote forgiveness, compassion, and empathy for others and for yourself.
All right. Oh, this says bonus. Oh, Bouse. Bouse Hematite, rare. Now, it used to be when they put rare on things, it really wasn't rare, but they've kind of fixed that. In the last few months, when I've looked up the rare gems that they've said were rare, they have been rare. So they fixed that little problem. I know Adam had to get some more people to help him. Ooh. I love hematite anyway.
What I didn't realize is that Bouse is in Arizona. So this comes from my former home state of Arizona. Hematite's good for enhancing creativity, regulating the blood flow in the body, relieving all pains from the body, keeping the body cells functioning maximally, help calm the mind and nervous system, balance the body energies, stress relief and energetic purification, and chakra healing.
So pretty. All right. Still have 3 more. Carnelian. Now, of course, I'm starting to get a lot of the more common stones that you get. But I don't mind having extra ones because, oh, that's a beautiful big chunk of carnelian. Looks like it's just tumbled, which is kind of nice. Look how big.
Carnelian is the stabilizing stone that restores vitality and motivation and will stimulate creativity. It's useful for overcoming abuse of any kind, because it gives courage, promotes positive life choices, dispels apathy, and can motivate you for success.
Very pretty. Every stone is so different, even though it's all carnelian. You'll notice different subtleties from stones. I'm assuming sometimes maybe from where it's at, or just the other things that in nature that affected it as it was growing. I'm pretty sensitive to those kinds of energies though, so other people may be like, no, what are you talking about, Karma? Carnelian's carnelian. Star mica. It's wrapped in tissue paper. Look at this.
Mica will help with nervous energy, calming, and overthinking, while positively enhancing intellectual pursuits and mental situations. It can be used to help treat insomnia and can help with sleeping requirements of mononucleosis. Never heard that one before. It also says that it can help with dehydration.
Really pretty. And I don't have tons of mica, so like I said, I never mind having a little bit of extra of gems. Plus then, if I get too many extra, and I have a client who needs that, then I'm able to just pass it along to them or put it in a giveaway box for some of you all to win. We will be doing a giveaway soon. My 500 subscriber giveaway has been delayed until I get caught up on boxes, and then we'll get that done and out. There's a really special gift in it. Okay, so Trilobite Fossil. You know I love to get fossils. So I had I want to say about 3rd grade, I had a teacher that wanted us to do well in spelling, and you know, studying spelling just is not a fun thing to do, especially in 3rd grade, and I'm not the best speller anyway. Yeah, I had to take remedial spelling in college. I'm not terrible, but I'm not great. And anyway, so she had wanted us to study for our spelling tests, and so she would choose some type of a fossil each week, and if you got 100% on your spelling test, you got a trilobite or some type of a fossil or a gem, and she would teach us about the fossil or the gem. And then if you got 100 on your spelling test, then you got one that week. So that's probably part of where my love for fossils and gems started, was from that great oh wow, that is a gorgeous trilobite. Oh my gosh.
Now, Trilobite can promote leadership and management skills and allow you to be the type of a manager that rules lovingly and with patience and fortitude. It promotes leadership and management skills and can assist in development of perseverance and strength.
Look how big that is. I've had trilobites that are really pretty small, but that is gorgeous. I love fossils because when I hold them, I just feel like I'm connecting with all the ancient animal life form and earth essence that was here so long ago. It just is really special to me and brings a lot of emotions to me when I work with fossils. And this, look how it fits in your hand. It's like perfect. That is gorgeous. Wow. So in this month's box, we got the bonus bag that had the Peacock ore and Matchstick quartz. Of course, we got the crystal grid cloth that comes in every one. We got the Madagascar Amethyst. We got the star mica. The Bouse Hematite, which was a rare gem. The Chinese Fluorite Octahedron. The Carnelian, which again, you know, might not be super exciting to someone. It's a fairly common stone, but when you add all these other stones in, it's so worth the money. And I'm going to tell you, my very favorite in the box is definitely this Trilobite Fossil. Adam, thank you so much. You know, I really feel like the gems that come to me in the boxes are meant for me, that these stones are, you know, kind of finding me and bringing something into my life. So I really appreciate it. What do you think about this month's box? What was your favorite stone? And if you had it, what would you use it for and why? I hope that you come back and visit often. If you haven't yet, remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. Hit the top one to let you know when new content comes out. I look so forward to spending time with you, and I've got some great videos planned. Not just the unboxings, but ceremonies and walks through the forest with you, foraging and doing ceremonies out in the middle of the forest. So if that's your kind of thing, don't forget to subscribe. And come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.